Hi, it's Tim at Engine Factory. We just finished building this beautiful 427 Ford 540 horsepower turnkey package engine with the Holley Sniper fuel injection for our customer's 1968 Mustang. Go over some of the highlights of our engine build here. We started with a brand new block, all forged steel internals, double roller timing chain, roller lifter camshaft, AFR aluminum cylinder heads, all the roller rock arms fully adjusted and set. Customer's running a TCP suspension front clip, so we put the proper oil pan on there for the 68 Mustang. Rear sump Moroso pan, oil stick and tube, distributor set in place, aluminum intake manifold, MSD ignition coil, Holley Sniper fuel injection is on there. You set up the entire menu screen for the customer for the Holley Sniper. That'll be all done for you. Every engine is live run, fully tested. You'll get a video of your engine running in the stand. You can see all the readings: manifold vacuum reading, water temperature, oil pressure cold and hot. Timing will be set. Holley Sniper EFI all dialed in, plug and play, ready to go. Oil pressure extensions on there for easy oil pressure switch hookup. Heavy duty Russell fuel lines, inline gas filter, all the loop clamps. We have the QuickTime bell housing on here. Customer's running a TKX transmission. We have the proper alignment ring in there for the TKX trans. Heavy duty ram clutch, all aligned and set. Clutch fork, throwout bearing. Transmission bolts are supplied. High torque mini starter. PCV ventilation line, heavy duty Russell line, manifold vacuum fittings for easy hookups for any vacuum lines if needed. It's real nice Raptor pulley kit, heavy duty 8-rib serpentine belt, self-tensioning belt tensioner, high flow aluminum water pump, bypass hose on the thermostat housing, thermostat's installed, 160 amp 1-wire hookup alternator, power steering pumps on there, all ready to go. So this is the way you get it when you buy from Engine Factory. A complete custom built engine for your vehicle, fully tested, ready to go. Thanks for watching.